channel. This is Sridhar. Welcome you to the Tech Talk with Sridhar. Today we are going to see about class and objects, how to create a class, how to instantiate an object from a class. Also, we will also learn about try and except and how to execute a class. So let's go into the video. Before that, I would request you as usual to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Also, don't forget to click on the like button if you like the video and the bell notification in order to get the instant notification as soon as I post a new video. Let's go into the video right now. So what is a class? Class is nothing but the implementation of the behavior, that is the methods you want to implement, that is implemented within a class, and the data is passed, and it cannot be executed directly. For that you need an instance to be created as an object. Then using that object you have to execute that class. So the creating an instance is called an instantiation. So whatever the methods and the data is not shown to the outside world, it is all encapsulated, it is all bundled, so that the end user will know only the data and the method name, where he will not know how it is being implemented. That concept is called encapsulation. So let's create the example and move further. So the keyword for creating class is class, the class name and the colon, and then I have to create a default method called prefix with double underscore init and suffix with 2 underscores and the open parenthesis and the keyword self and the parameter list. So I'll say first name, last name, city and age. So what I'll do is I'll pass all these parameters and make it available inside the class. Using the self keyword, I'll create the private variables inside the class and assign the parameter to the variable I'm creating with using the self keyword. Last name equal to last name, self dot city equal to the parameter city, and age equal to age dot self dot city equal to age equal to age. Now I am done with the initial. So what is the meaning of init? Init is nothing but it is just initialize the basic parameters and make it available throughout the class. So the value you are passing to the class is made available using the self keyword, and it is available till the lifetime of the class, that is through the objects. Okay, let's create the method which I want to create now, print formatted text, and I have to pass this self keyword inside this. So what I'll do is I'll just print the information what I have received into this class. Okay, self dot first name comma formatted comma self dot last name comma I live in he lives in this city comma self dot city comma and his age is plus self dot age. Okay, now I have formatted. So what happens is whenever I create an instance and execute that instance, that print formatted text, if it is called, so the object doesn't know, the end user doesn't know how this print formatted text is implemented when I call through an object. All this information is available only in the class as a template, and this template can be executed through an object. So let's create an object, person1. So before that I'm going to teach you try catch, try except. What is that? I'll explain you. Okay, So this is nothing but it is a execution block where you execute everything within the try except block. If there is any runtime error, the except block executes the print statement, whatever there in the except statement will be executed, and the program closes gracefully and it will not show any abrupt abnormal error message on the screen. So this will basically give you graceful messages to come out of the program. Okay, let's create the object person1 equal to person of all the basic particulars I'm going to give. Sridhar, comma TA, comma Chennai. My age is 48. Okay, then I will copy this same and I create one more person called John and Victor, and he's from Los Angeles, and he's 35 years old. Okay, I'll create one more person called Abdul, and he is Sama, the second name, and he's from Riyadh. So, and he is 32 years old. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just print this information, whatever the method I created in the class for printing the particulars. I'll call that through the object which I have created. So for each object that is independent, so it is nowhere related between each of the object. So whatever the information for object 1 is independent, that to compare to person 2 or person 3, each one is independent objects, they are nowhere related, but the parent class, the class is same, but the implementation behavior is all same, the class, but each object will have a independent information of that object. Okay, what is the error? Person. Okay, I have not created person 3. Person 3 dot print. Okay, now the program is ready to be executed. What I'll do is I'll print an error message in case if I get any, there is an error in creating objects from class. Okay, so and also I can print the type of person 1. Okay, so it will print me what is the base class of that, in which class it is being instantiated. Okay, let's run this and see how it works. Python person.py. See, can you see it's printing as per the formatting I have done, and it is each instance is independent, each object is independent, they are nowhere related, and the class is implemented only once, but it is called at many places, person 1, person 2, person 3, and the information is hidden to the outside world. As far as this person object is concerned, it knows only what the name of the method print formatted text, but all the behavior it is available in the class, but person 1 doesn't know how it is being implemented. That concept is called encapsulation. Creating an instance from this class to person 1, that process of creating instance is called instantiation. So hope you understood this example. As soon as I print the type of this person 1, it prints the class name as person. You understood all the objects are pointing to the same class name as person. So with this example I prove that the class is defined once, but the objects are used to execute at multiple places. That is, multiple objects are created independently to create for a unique representation of information. Hope you have understood this concept. Till I put the next video, it's goodbye from Sridhar, and I should thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.